So friends, welcome back to DevTrino. Don't skip this video as we would be talking how to earn in this website and how the points will get credited. So don't skip even a part. Talking about the website which we would be seeing is Rakuten Insight website. It is a pretty easy website and has an easy interface. Talking about the survey frequency is around 3 to 4 surveys per week, and you can get those surveys credited to your account also. Now talking about the points, if you have completed a survey totally, you might get the total point reward. Sometimes it might tabulate and you might receive the survey points after 8 weeks, that is around 2 months period of time. You could see it in the reward history if you want to, and after the survey gets completed, if you are disqualified, you might receive 2 points as disqualification reward. You could even collect points for disqualification and redeem those points from the point shop. Now talking about the base point or the least value from which you can redeem, it is around 100 points only. Here you could see there are 3 ways you could redeem. First is the Paytm wallet promo code, second is the Amazon online gift voucher, third is Flipkart online gift voucher. You could see the base value as 100 and you could see the delivery would take 15th of the month. So as you can see, it will take either on 15th or it might take on the month end of the month that you are redeeming. Now talking about this website, the points would be converted and it would be sent to you. You could check it out here in the notification section, or you could even check it out in your mail. Now you could see here in the exchange history, I have already redeemed an Paytm wallet promo code. I have redeemed various times from this website, but my first time it took me around 1.5 months, which you can understand. Before the time period did not take of tabulating and it was instant, and after that it took around 2 weeks or 3 weeks of time to get the points converted from points to any voucher that you have selected. Now talking about this site, it is easy to use. You can easily even understand what are the points, but let me tell you first, if you give inaccurate information, you will not get surveys also, and moreover your account also might get closed if you have put inappropriate or inaccurate answers. So here you could easily earn money if you are using this website properly. It takes around 15 to 30 minutes only for each survey of every day. So you can daily give around 15 to 30 minutes to earn some extra income. It might be helpful for students or the people who are looking for some small part-time work or anything like that. They can use this website really easy. You could even you would have already understood. Moreover, if you use this website, you could even understand it real better. Until then, see you in the next video. Well, before that, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, you can ask us in the comment section. Moreover, if you have any clarifications also, you can say it in the comment section. Moreover, we will be bringing many more videos on survey websites also. You can check them out. We would be posting about it real soon. Until then, see you in the next video. Do like, share and subscribe to the video. See you. Thank you.